Hey, what is up guys? My name is Abu Sufyan and welcome to my channel. And if you're watching this video, you are curious about why your music is competing with your vocals. So in this video, we are going to learn how to scoop up that frequency from the music and boost it up on the vocals. So let's get started without any further ado. So now we are on the screen. So now we'll learn how do we cut the frequency from the music, right? So let's import the music. Here's the music and let it make it from 4. Let's put this, drag this bottom. The video which I'm going to put it on it's too loud. It's competing. The music is competing with my vocals. I cannot hear my vocals. Above the track 1 is this. So how to fix that? Let's cut some frequencies. So first of all, we need to apply the parametric equalizer. Let's go to the effects, and if you cannot find the effects here, always you can go and search on the Windows and see here effects. Shift F7 is the shortcut. So parametric equalizer. Okay, let's cut this. Let's go to the effects control and parametric equalizer here, edit. And first of all, we need to understand a few things, like here you can see this area 30 Hertz to 100 Hertz is the area which is where the low frequency are situated. The 200 to 1K it's the mids, and 2K to 10K that's the highs or treble. There's the mids, there's the lows, mids and highs. So to pop our vocals, we need to cut off the mids section, and for clarity we need to boost up a little bit on the, we don't need to boost it, just let's do the simpler way. So 200 to 1K, so this is 200 and this is 1K frequency. So let's cut that down here, -13, and here -15. Let's make the width okay. We have cut out the sections, like the mid sections in the music. Okay, now let's see how it sounds. So there are two methods actually to make the face cam. First of all, let's try the method. It's not competing anymore. Okay? The music is not competing for the same frequency that his vocal is fighting for. So it's on the 0 dB, the volume is way high up. So let's decrease the sound of the music to around -15. That's where I put it. Let's play it now. This is the track, desired track, and this is the recording. So now it's very good. Let's compare it before and after. Let's turn off. We are going to do the method 1, and that is by applying mask. Competing. Let's turn the effects on the track 1. It's way more clear. Go to opacity. Okay, that's one way to do it, by applying the parametric equalizer. There's one more way to do it, and that's by DeEsser. I know, I understand. But you'll say the DeEsser is used for removing the T sound, S sound, F sounds, isn't it? So we are going to use that in a little bit different way. Let's put the DeEsser here, edit, and let's cut the mid section, like from 200 and around 1K. Basically, we're cutting off the frequencies. Actually, to make the face cam, first of all, sounds better. If we turn it off, let's compare it here, before and after. There are two methods actually to make the face cam. We cannot hear it, so let's turn the effects on. First of all, let's try the method 1, okay? So that's how we cut the frequencies on the music for your vocals. That's how we do it. And if you want to increase some of the frequencies on your vocals, you can always put this parametric equalizer here, go to the edit, and you can always boost up the 5000 because that's where your clarity comes. Clarity lives in the vocals. And always you need to decrease the sound a little bit, like minus 15, like minus 21 to 29 is the standard. Now let's make the scale to 40%, and let's move. So now it's not competing. We have created a pocket in the music for the vocals to fit in. So that's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and that's how I do it. So if you think this video helped you in some way, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button, and always free to criticize the video. I'm not a sound engineer, and see you guys in the next one.